This is the it's on your sector for today, so term 3, week 3. It's the Rostrevor template. If you can download that first to a spot where you know, and then flick across to Fusion, open up your folder where your stuff is saved and go, we want to import it into that. So if we go to the new page and go upload, in upload we're going to go to the folder that we're working on, select, and we're going to go to where you've got it saved. I've got mine saved on the desktop, so I'm going to open that and then upload it. Once you've got that uploaded, this should only take a couple of seconds. Close that, and now we can start with our technical drawing. It should sit in here. The next thing that we want to do is go up to our settings. So in preferences, we want to change it from the American standard to the Australian standard. So the next thing we're going to do is come up and go to the drawing section. We're going to go to ISO. Going to make sure it's in millimeters. We're going to click this little button here to override the preferences, and we're going to change it to third angle. I want it in third angle projection because that's the Australian standard, and it will make things a lot less confusing. So once that's sorted, we can apply it, and we will be ready to do our drawings. But it's important that that is done before we start any drawings.